This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start now by getting network and software ready. Make sure your Chromebook and the target display share the same Wi-Fi. Once done, check Chrome OS updates and restart if required so casting works reliably. Next, open the status tray in the lower right where Quick Controls Live. Click the cast icon. This initiates device discovery. You're already taking the first actionable step. Your Chromebook is searching for compatible Chromecast or cast-enabled displays on the network. Once your Chromebook lists available devices, select the exact display you intend to mirror to. Names matter when multiple devices exist. After choosing the device, make a conscious option. Cast the current browser tab, your entire desktop, or a specific file if those choices appear. If you want system audio, pick the setting that includes audio. Chromebook prompts for permission. Make sure to accept any screen sharing or audio permissions so the target display receives both picture and sound without. To complete mirroring, verify the target display shows your Chromebook and that audio plays where you expect. When you're done, stop casting by clicking the cast icon in the status tray and selecting stop. If the image lags, drops, or you can't find the device, try one focused fix. Restart the Chromebook and the cast receiver, confirm both are on the same network, and then reconnect. This simple restart and reconnection resolves most common casting problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.